my name is Kitty Antix, and this is my friend.
I'm Adrian from Premier Cocktail Events.
And we are gonna do March Madness! This month's theme is Dr. Seuss's Nightmare. We decided to go with a green theme. So I got these marshmallow, whimsical marshmallow garnish.
Dr. Seuss's poop emoji.
Poop emoji, that's funny. It's actually from the dollar store. It's just marshmallow swirl. Super cute. They smell like toxic, very toxic cinnamon. Why do they smell cinnamon? Christmas. It does smell like Christmas. I don't know why. It's kind of weird, but it's really cute and pretty. So we're gonna garnish with that. And then I also have these fruit roll-up cereal straws, which I thought they're very Dr. Seuss. You can also rim this cup with black sugar, but I couldn't find any either, and I wasn't gonna make any, so yeah. So for just this demonstration, we're not gonna do a black sugar rim, but yeah, just imagine, if you will. So we're gonna do a cup of ice, and then we're gonna do an ounce and a half.
Yeah, kind of good ounce and a half. Or 2 ounces.
2 ounces it is. And then of course our Midori, which is a melon liqueur. What, an ounce?
Yeah. Give it a good stir.
You can also use pineapple juice with this drink, which will taste lovely. This is orange juice. Pretty!
Nice.
It's like so swirly. Let me give it a little swirl. We'll do both. We'll do a purple and pink.
That was good.
It's so cute and pretty. Okay, and then we do a straw. We do pink. Do pink. Oh my god!
There you go.
And what should I call this? Lorax.
The Lorax.
The Lorax. I think that's good because of the trees.
Yeah.
The trees, they look like cotton candy, and then it's a lot of swirl. So this is called the Lorax. Love it. Would you like to be my guest first?
Sure. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Get out of here. Oh damn. Oh my damn. That's actually really good.
That's actually really good.
I'm gonna drink it with this though?
I think you have to bite the bottom of it.
I do? Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. Oh! I miss Fruit Loops cereal. Also tastes very toxic. Because it's like artificial. Okay. Oh, bro. Grab the orange one. Oh my god, this is so good.
This is really good.
That's really good. It's so good. With the cereal?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright, the Lorax.
We're enjoying it.
Yeah.
You guys have to make this at home. It's so good. Oh. You want to share a marshmallow with me?
Some toxic?
Yeah. Cheers.
Not as good as these.
Wait. Hold on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Just eat this by itself and just leave it alone. Don't mix it. But the cereal.
The cereal's good, yes. This, yes.
With the, oh my god.
Drink, yes.
Because this, yeah. I'm gonna put this down because I don't ever want to eat toxic marshmallow in my life ever anymore.
It's like you have to like carry these with you now. Every time you go to a bar. Or to a restaurant.
Yeah. They're like, what is that?
I'm like, oh, you don't know?
That was a good one.